Alright, how's it going, everyone? So I officially think today is the day I'm gonna bring in my hoard of scrap. I'm always driving or something every time I'm on the camera with you guys, but I'll show you what we got once I back the truck up to the trailer. Alright, so we got everything loaded up. 2 alternators, Cadillac converter, all my bare brake copper, number 2 copper, number 1 copper, brass, batteries, brass ACRs, copper aluminum ACRs, and aluminum ACRs. So, like I said, we should make about, hoping like 8 grand, but that's only in my dreams. My price is always way over the top, so it should be about 3, 4, or 5. But we'll see everybody at the scrapyard, and thank you all for watching. Alright, so I called a few places, was getting some pricing, and basically this is the pricing I'm looking for. Is $2.34, $1.09, and $1.38 for brass. Most of the places I called, I think one place was $2.30 for copper, another place was $2.28. The ACRs, one place was paying $1, the other place was paying $1.05. So I figure I got so much, they could pay me $1.09. And brass, I only called one place and they were paying $1.35, so figure 3 cents more since I got a bunch of brass also, and I'm bringing them all the other stuff. Like usually places pay a premium. It's 5 to 7 cents more when you bring a lot in. So since I'm bringing so much in this time, I'm gonna try to get better pricing. So if they beat any of these prices, I'm definitely selling. But right when we get to the first place, I'm going to be like, hey, I need to talk to the boss, need to talk about better pricing. And we'll see you guys there. Alright, bye. How you doing? Is the boss here today?
Not yet.
When will he be here?
I don't know. He does what he wants with the boss. Why?
Because I need better pricing on probably over 1,500 pounds of copper.
Fair brand, number 1 or number 2? Where's the insulated?
Number 2, and I got like 2,000 pounds of ACRs, brass.
Okay.
Alright, so after calling the boss, got some better pricing. Got a $2.35 for number 2 copper, $1.10 for the ACRs, $1.41 for the brass, and $2.48 for the number 1 copper. I didn't really ask about anything else due to I don't have that much of it. But we'll see how this goes. Hopefully they don't annoy me too much with some of the stuff. But we'll put you guys up here and hopefully you guys can see everything.
Ah,
Aluminum radiators.
for that one.
Alright, so right now we're just unloading all the ACRs. Which we got a ton of them. All right, so camera's cutting off on me, but we're unloading all this, all the ACRs. We got the aluminum ACRs, and he brung a bunch more for me. But we'll bring you guys back once we get to the next thing, show you how filled this thing gets. That way you're not just sitting around. All right, bye. All right, we got everything done and loaded. Now just weighing out, but I gotta find my damn sheet. I had everything written down on. Okay, now we'll see what all this weighs. All right, so now he's bringing everything over, all the brass, everything. Get this weighed in, weighed out, and hopefully we can get out of here pretty soon. That cart weighs 75 cents by itself. So I screwed up. Should have took out all these little bolts, because if you leave them in, they charge you, well, they give you a dirty brass for it. Talking to the camera. But I guess that's what you gotta do. My yard, other yard, doesn't complain that much, but every yard's different. See how it goes. So I guess one of their forklifts died, so they got the other one. You're stuck on the, there you go. Make sure I don't get impaled or... That's a big heavy bitch.
It's at 155.
Always a sunny day in paradise. One lady ended up screaming at somebody leaving. I ain't even done weighing out yet. Oh, I guess these things run on like nitrous oxide. Oh, pretty cool. I don't know. I just want to get the hell out of here. Tired. All right, so it took me a little bit, but finally we got cashed out. So we'll show you everything. We got aluminum clean radiators. We got 17 cents a pound, added up to $29.24. We got ACRs, which was $1.10. That was for the first barrel. We got $306.90 for that, $306.90. Another barrel of ACRs, we got $1.10 for that also. We got $752.40 for that. The yellow brass 80/20, the ones I didn't take apart because it had a little bit of metal on it, we got 70 cents a pound for that, which added up to be $17.50 for that. The yellow brass, we got $1.41. That added up to $561.18. The Bear Bright, we had the 2 barrels of, we got $384.42 of that. Copper number 1, we had a 248, which was $587.76. The tin coated copper, which was that 1 copper piece that came out of our Bear Bright, we got $235 for that, which was, I guess, okay. It was only 1 piece, so that added up to $21.15. The copper number 2, which we had a lot of, so they count that as copper number 2, really. So that was $235 also. We got $2,721.30 for that. The motors, I guess they buy the what is it, thing that charges your car, whatever the frick it's called. They buy them as Motors Clean, so that was 18 cents a pound, came up to $5.04. We had the truck radiators clean, which was the brass ones, the brass radiators. That was $1.25 a pound, and that came up to $41.25. The batteries ended up to be 20 cents a pound, which ended up to be $74.40. And we had the Cadillac converter, which they thought was light iron, but ended up being a Cadillac converter, so that ended up being $30. So our grand total was $5,533.00. So that was a great payday for us. I'm sweating my balls off, so now we're going to get out of here after we close up the trailer. But literally, trailer is finally empty. Now we can start all over again, start loading everything, start what's it called, making everything fill up again. But we just gotta put everything down for it's safe and don't hurt nobody while driving home. Alright, well, thank you everyone for watching another one of my adventures. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Alright, bye. Well, I'm not sure, I don't think you guys saw it, but when we were getting weighed out, the lady there, what's she doing, car? She ended up quitting. She was mad at her boss or something. She was screaming and yelling in the office, and then she was like, I fucking quit. Slammed everything down. I'm like, oh shit, my totals don't get messed up and all that. And she like stormed out the building, got in her car and peeled off. I'm looking at the other guy behind me, he's like, but I was just like, damn. But she was already mad at her boss when we first got there, because when she called him, she was like, well, I was like, hey, is your boss here? I need to get a better price. And she was like, I don't know, he shows up when he wants, works when he wants, does whatever he wants. Why? What do you want? I'm like, oh, okay. I think I still had you guys recording at that time, and I shut the camera off. I was like, well, I need to call him for better pricing. So she called him, we ended up getting some better price. He matched a couple of the prices at my scrapyard, which was good. But then I guess she was just calling him like, hey, this guy got over like $5,000 worth, you gotta come. And I guess he said something wrong to her, and she just flipped out. But this was an awesome payday, guys. This really helps me out a lot because this dang COVID stuff with the market being closed and all this, all that time, it really hurt. It hurt me a lot. So this stuff was supposed to get saved for years and years until stuff went up a lot, but I'm literally in bad debt, so I need to cash all this in and make some money. But we'll see everybody later. Thank you again for watching. If you haven't so far, please like and subscribe. It'll help me do more videos like this, and we'll see you next time. All right, bye. All right, so stopping at the bank right now. It's so weird going into a bank with a mask on like this, so let's hope I don't get shot or anything, but I want to get some 100s instead of all these 20s. So we'll see what we can do. But that's a boatload of 20s, so at least we got money. All right, we'll see everybody later. Bye. So called my buddy Dave, and my buddy Dave was pretty impressed by it. He just couldn't believe how much I had. I was like, well, take a guess. He was like, 2,200. I was like, well, double that. And then add some more on. But literally, I'm so happy. This will pay off at least a quarter of my bills. Yeah, I'm in debt over like 17 grand right now, so at least it will help out a lot. But just tired now. Really want to take a break. Think I'm going home, taking a nap. All right, see everybody later. Bye.